Hi, welcome to day one of the 365 Canva Design Challenge entitled Discovering Your Creative Eye. Okay, that I'm right? okay, our topic for today will be about discovering your brand color. So maybe you're wondering why this is the first topic that I want to discuss. Maybe because whenever I am designing, this is the first thing na I wanted to decide which color should I use, which brand colors should I use. Because that tells me the type of personality or that because it tells me the personality of my design. If it's bright, if it's mysterious, if it's fun, if it's futuristic. So those are the things that I consider. So before I even start designing, I should know what is the vibe or the color of my design. So let me hop on my share screen so that you can see my Canva. Let me share my screen here. So here you can see my Canva, and I created a simple brand guide so that you can visualize um, why this is very important to me. Okay, so first I have this quick description of who I am, and if you, as you can see, everything, all the presentation is being branded to how I chose my colors. But today we will focus on the colors. Okay, so here is you can see I chose my colors. Okay. Now, why I chose this like radical red and turquoise? Because for me, somehow at the end of my brainstorming, I realized that it looks like TikTok. But initially, my mind is really um, I'm checking who I am as a person, and I'm pretty futuristic. So anything like topics about utopia or movies with science fiction, I really love those types of things. So if there would be something that would describe me as a person, that would be futuristic style of design. So this is what I come up with. So whenever you're saving a a hex code for your design, all you have to do is click that click that design color, and then go to this plus sign, and then you can now copy the hex code of your um, chosen brand color. Okay, so once I saved that, I actually even added meanings here in this part. So radical red has feelings of love, affection, safety, comfort, and sense of urgency. So whenever um, I am thinking of the radical color, I can see my love for design. So my passion is also there, and the sense of urgency when it comes to taking actions of my dreams. So very futuristic talaga, forward minded, and yeah, it drives this feeling, strong feeling. So turquoise is just to balance the radical red. So if this is pretty strong, the turquoise will balance the color. This is the warm and the cool color. So while radical red gives me a really strong sense of color, turquoise will give me tranquility, calmness, serenity, yung loyalty or and calming and sophistication. That's why I really think radical red and this color turquoise is they really go together really good because they complement each other. In design, sometimes if I put a lot of radical red, it hurts my eye. But then when I mixed it with turquoise, it balances the strong color of red. That's why you have to have this color of one strong color, one color to balance it, and another color is the dark, the dark color, so that you can have it in contrast to those two bright colors. So whenever I am doing a design, as you can see, the background is dark, and then there was this bright colors that's being accented to the design. Am I making sense? Okay. So I'll just give you a quick view of what my branding looks like as of this moment. So as you can see, this is my Instagram. You can follow me there, 𝐃𝐤𝐬𝐵.creative. Quick promote. And this is how I create my carousels. And as you can see, the consistency of colors. There is a balance of turquoise, the dark colors, and the radical red. So sometimes also I mix it with white so that my feed is not too dark. So it's like dark, lighter color, and then back to dark. So there is a balance, and you won't get bored when you go to my feed. And as you can see also in my personal profile, I have my social media. It also in my, this one is also on my LinkedIn, the same. So yeah, um, whenever you see now this color on your timeline, whether I'm on LinkedIn, whether I'm on Facebook or on Instagram, you will think of me just because you keep seeing this. Unlike posting different colors every single post, the retention or familiarity of your market is you quite lose it in the process just because you keep changing the colors of your post. That's why I told you guys that if you will have your personal brand, stick to your colors, stick to your personality, stick to being who you are, because this color represents you, right? If you're going to choose color, it's not because it's cool, but because it represents you as a brand. So for me, this one is really the one because I keep on rebranding and rebranding before until I come up with this combination and I fell in love with it. So this is really my color. I can say. So now, if you're in Canva also, the easiest way to save your brand color is go to when you go to home, okay, you will see here the brand kit. So when you go to the brand kit, there are brand colors here. All you have to do is add or discover palettes. So by then you can customize the palettes here. So as you can see here, I already saved my personal brand. So whenever I am designing, it's easier for me to locate my colors because whenever, for example, I click this one and I would like to change the color, it's already here. There. All the combinations of colors is already here. So that's it for today's lesson, which is brand colors. I will just have short sharing every single day, and I hope that this one helps you. And at the end of the day, um, you will have your own brand color. And if you can comment down below, if you have chosen your brand colors, you can upload pictures in the comment, and then maybe I can give you feedback after. So here, and I hope this is helpful so far. I'm pretty nervous, so yeah, not bad for my first day, right? So yeah, I hope that you find this helpful and see you tomorrow for our day 2 of the challenge.